Hey everyone, it's Rochelle. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video for you guys. In today's video, I am a blonde. It's been a while since I've been a blonde, and I'm feeling this wig. Now the wig that I'm rocking is by Jessie's Wig, and this is the packaging and everything that you need for your wig. So we have a wig cap. We also have the wig headband, but I don't wear these a lot, but it's completely optional. Now let's see what this wig looks like straight out the box. Listen, this blonde hair, so soft, stiff wear, and with blonde, it's some shadow roots on this wig, and it looks so good. It's a beautiful ashy tone wig. So I'm gonna cut off the extra lace on the back because I don't need that. Now, as you can see, I already have the wig cap on my head and I did the ball cap method. Now, I do have a separate video for that, so I will link that video in the description bar down below. It's not necessary, you don't have to do this, but because this is a lace frontal, I personally like a nice ball cap with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this wig on my head just to see how she is looking. When I tell you this hair, it's super soft. Like, it's very rare when I get blonde hair that is like really soft, and it's to be expected because blonde hair, it's processed. It goes through a lot. They bleach it, they color it. This one, it just feels so like there's just so much movement going on, and it's really that easy to pop on your head. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pull this down. Oh, I love it. This is a whole lot of lace, you guys. I'm gonna have to cut that lace. That is a lot of lace. I love the fact that they darken the roots as well. As you can see, the roots are darkened. I love that they did that. I'm gonna go in with my cuticle scissors. I mean, I have a couple that I use. So I'm just gonna go. I mean, you really only need one scissors, guys. And it's that easy, literally that easy. And then, all right, so I'm gonna go ahead and clip the hair out of the way. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to apply some glue to my forehead. Now this lace here, it is transparent lace. This one is not a HD lace, but I'm pretty certain I can get this to melt down pretty good as well, because I used to work with transparent laces quite a lot. And the glue that I'm using, it is by my Sticky Little Secret. This is actually my brand, and we are back in stock. We were sold out for quite some time with the glue in the bundle. It's back in stock now, and I'll link it in the description bar down below. So I'm just going to, you really don't need a whole lot, and the glue dries really fast. So I'm actually using my makeup brush. I mean, I have a comb, but I left it upstairs in the other room. Okay, and I'm gonna let this glue dry. Now I could put it all the way around, so I'm just gonna add some right here. Really need a thin layer of glue. I kind of was a little heavy-handed, I'll be honest. All right, as you can see, the glue is dry, and I'm gonna go ahead, well, it's not dry, it's nice and tacky, and it's clear. So once it's clear, that's when you wanna pull this down. Pull this down. Now I'm gonna clip the hair out of the way completely. All right, so I clipped the hair out of the way. Now I'm gonna go in with a melting band, and I'm just going to tie this on my wig. And I'm just tying this on the lace. The struggle to put this melting band is on. All right, so now we're gonna go in for the fun part, which is cutting the lace. I'm gonna go in with my cuticle scissors. You can also use a eyebrow razor, which might be a lot easier for someone who is a beginner, but I feel like I have a lot more control with the scissors. So I like to go in and I like to cut it jaggedy, just like that. Alrighty then. Okay, she is like almost completed. I'm a little excited, okay guys? It's been a minute since I've done blonde hair. I'm gonna go in with some My Sticky Little Secret melting spray, and we're gonna melt down this lace. Honestly, even though this is transparent, I think this looks really good, considering the fact that it's not melted yet, and it's not like I gotta tint it again. So I think it looks really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and just apply. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply that melting spray to the edge of my wig. So apply it onto the lace, and I'm gonna go in with the blow dryer on a cool setting, and then I go in with that rat tail comb, and again I'm gonna apply that melting band and leave this on for about 15 minutes. So as you can see, I've already removed my melting band, and I'm gonna go in and tint my lace. and I like to use a darker shade. I applied some bronzer on my forehead, and I'm just gonna tint that. That's pretty much it. I mean, it looks pretty good from where I'm sitting, so I hope it looks good on camera as well. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with some hair wax, and I'm going to put this on the top of the wig just to flatten this down a bit. I mean, it's pretty flat right now. I think it looks pretty good, but we can always get it to sit a little flatter. And I'm gonna go in with my hot comb. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go in with my flat iron. So I'm gonna go ahead, okay, I'm gonna go in with my flat iron and just straighten it up a bit. And I just wanted you guys to see how she looks while she's straightened. Absolutely gorgeous. Now I'm gonna go in with my curling iron. I'm just gonna take small sections of hair and curl it under. And honestly, I'm not the best when it comes to curling. Plus, I also don't like when my curls are like super tight. I kind of like them to be more loose. So I'm obviously gonna brush this out. And that is pretty much the finished results with the curls. And this is how it looks in the center part. I'm gonna go ahead and switch the part up because I'm just like, I know this way will look so good in a side part. So again, I'm parting the hair, and I just love how they did the roots. I love that they darkened the roots, and they did it on the lace. Like it's hard to explain, but I just really love how they gave that shadow roots. And I went in with some hair wax, and then I'm gonna go in with the hot comb to create that center part. And I just created a little bit of baby hair because the sides of the hair is a little bit more on the dense side, but I still think it looks pretty good. So yeah, this is pretty much the completed look. It is so gorgeous, and it's been a while since I've done an ashy blonde, and I love this length. All right guys, so that is pretty much the completed video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in another video very soon. I love you guys, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.